I ain't gonna go hurt nobody. Fact is, I'm gonna let my dear friend here do the hurting. Go ahead. I know what you want to do. I know what's going on in that little brain of yours. I bet you would just love to do me in right now with it. You see, if you're coming alongside my juggler in a vertical upright position, it would be over with in a matter of minutes. Old Dakota Raye be dead. Dead as a doornail. But nevertheless, I've been sitting here to warn you that there's more to life than wanting to kill Dakota Raye and getting away with it. Rid the world of the evil that lies deep within my ever-loving heart and soul. You might say I'm the personal, supreme spirit of evil and unrighteousness. But I like to consider myself a pleasantly mischievous person with a middle child syndrome. Go ahead. Make a choice. Time's running out. Because I want you to look out that window over there. Out across the Palisades. To that big wet river. On to the big bright lights of Manhattan. Then go on over there to the small clusters of sameness. You see anything, huh? That's your town, isn't it? And down yonder, that light flicking off and on in that apartment, I bet that's where you live. And in that apartment is your cute little family, Mr. and Mrs. John. Hot damn! I bet they tucking in your little sister right now as we speak. Beautiful sight, isn't it? I wonder what they think about you right now. If they only knew. The mistake you made is you left that world and crossed over into mine, Dakota's town, where I'm a king. And this right here, this is my domain. Now you want to know about Dakota Raye? I'm gonna tell you about Dakota Raye. I'm the man with the plan. Word up, can you dig it? And in Dakota's town, I am a king, and everybody wants my love in more ways than one. So let me be the water of your bath and surround you with my mellow, warm, liquid love like a childish wave on the sandy beach. But before I take off these rose-colored glasses, the lenses of my senses, and before I enlighten you, you must know that there's a fee. Because nothing in this world comes free. Well, John, I think it's time for you to go. Party's over.